Okay, this video is going to discuss something that will be on the final exam, and that is logic operators, which we didn't have a chance to go through during class or during chapter 3. And so here's the thing, it's actually fairly simple. You just need to make sure you understand that logic operators, you have 3 logic operators, and we already know what arithmetic operators are, what relational operators, concatenation operator, assignment operator. Though we're going to add these 3 operators that are called logic operators. So the double ampersand means the word and. It just like you understand what and means. And then these are 2 pipe symbols which are above in the key above your enter key or your return key. And so these are 2 pipe symbols. Those together make a symbol that means or. And then the exclamation point means not. And so basically what we did in class is we go, I had students look at this code here and tell me what they think it's going to print after understanding what these words mean, and almost everybody got it right. And so just really quickly, I mean, you might be able to see, if you were to pause the video and go, okay, well, knowing that this means and this means or, could you tell what the output will be? So first of all, the idea is that you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different if-else structures, so they all have to be engaged at the if statement level. And so the first one goes, is x is 5 greater than 4, and that's going to be true. And is y greater than x? No, it's false. So since they're not both true, then that means this is false. So it's going to let me make sure I did that right. X is greater than 4. It's true. Y is greater than x. No, that is true. And so since they're both true, it's going to print yes. So we know it's going to print yes. And then down here, the next one, and of course it ignores the else. And this one is 5 less than 6, which is true. And then it says is y, so is 9 less than 6. That's false. Since both of them aren't true, then it's going to ignore the yes or the if clause and do the else clause. So no. So it's going to go yes and then no. And then down here, you see, if you read it like is 5 greater than 8 or 9 less than 6? I'm sorry, 9. These are hard to read. Well, 9 less than 5. Since neither one are true, it's going to print no. It's going to skip the yes. The last one, it says is 6 less than 5 or is 9 greater than 6? Well, yes, one of them is true. So as long as one of them is true in the or level, then that whole thing is considered to be true. And so therefore it's going to print yes. So it's going to go yes, no, no, yes. And that's how that works.